Today, we'll take a closer look at the second-generation Nissan LATIO, which was sold in Japan between 2012 and 2016. Designed as a low-budget sedan, was built by Nissan's Thai and Mexican factories from 2011 to 2019. Over 150 markets worldwide offered it under various names including Sunny in China, Almera in Southeast Asia, Versa Sedan in the Americas, and even Renault Scala in India. However, as mentioned in this review, our focus is exclusively on the Japanese domestic market, JDM model, one of the rarest regional variants currently available on the used market. Overview. The Nissan LATIO is a pragmatic compact sedan designed for emerging economies, where the classic three-box body shape is in favor. Built on the V platform, the LATIO shares many components with the second-generation Nissan Note and March. Externally, it's a simple car with unsophisticated styling, reflecting its market position below the slightly larger and more refined Nissan Sylphy. You can watch a full review of the Sylphy on our channel, link in the description. The LATIO is quite aerodynamic, which has a positive impact on fuel economy and interior noise levels. For a sedan, it has a relatively high roofline, resulting in a spacious interior, measuring 445 centimeters. In length, 16 centimeters less than the Sylphy, 169.5 centimeters in width, and 149.5 centimeters in height. The Nissan LATIO is a relatively compact sedan. Its wheelbase is 2.6 meters, 10 centimeters less than the Sylphy, which significantly reduces the interior space and affects the driving characteristics when you compare these two models. It comes with front-wheel drive only. With a turning radius of 5.2 meters, it is rather clumsy. Ride quality and safety features. The LATIO doesn't particularly stand out in terms of handling, with long-term owners often reporting mixed experiences during everyday driving. Assuming it's an average everyday car, you'll be pleased to hear that the visibility is impressive for a saloon. The large windows and the long rear doors and slim rear pillars are rare features for a type of car like this. The result is all-round visibility comparable to, or even better than, that of many hatchbacks. You may also be pleasantly surprised by how well it takes corners, given that it is a low-budget sedan. Its front suspension uses a conventional strut system, the rear a basic torsion beam. User feedback often mentions that the suspension is rather firm, meaning you will almost certainly feel every pothole. When traveling at motorway speeds above 110 km per h, the car tends to wander or feel wobbly, calling for constant steering corrections. Another common criticism among owners concerns the CVT transmission, which can produce whining noises or be jerky if the transmission fluid isn't strictly changed at the recommended intervals. In terms of safety, it only comes with the bare minimum necessary for its era. ABS, EBD, and VDC, vehicle dynamics control, are all standard features. While the braking system is reliable, many drivers report squeaking from the rear drum brakes. Overall, it lacks the comprehensive active safety features found in higher vehicle classes. Although driver and passenger airbags are standard, side airbags were optional depending on the chosen package. Interior and luggage capacity. Design-wise, the LATIO prioritizes function over form. In terms of style, it's not particularly refined, and neither are the materials used. Compared to its predecessor, the Toyota LATIO, you will notice a slight downgrade. Don't expect luxury here, as it's aimed at a relatively low-budget target audience. Hard plastics dominate the dashboard and doors to ensure low manufacturing costs. As mentioned, visibility is generally good, and the driving position is reasonably accommodating. The fabric seats are a particular selling point. Most owners agree that they are thick, highly supportive, and often more comfortable than the rival model's faux leather seats. The instrument panel is easy to read, and the ergonomics are excellent. Everything is in the right place and easily accessible, without unnecessary design extravagance. Depending on the trim level, you'll find either manual or fully automatic climate control. However, as users note, the AC compressor is relatively small and struggles to blow ice-cold air when the car is stuck in heavy stop-start traffic. Standard equipment includes power windows and a start button. Overall, second-hand LATIO is good value for money, but it does come with some compromises. The base trim lacks a center console or armrest, which can be inconvenient on longer journeys. On a positive note, the rear doors, glass area, and legroom is impressive, rivaling that of much larger sedans and crossovers. Regarding boot space, as is typical of sedans, further compromises must be expected. Access is fine and the cargo area is spacious and well designed for ease of usage. Base volume is 470 liters. The maximum dimensions are 133 centimeters wide and 102 centimeters long. Price at BEFORWARD. Similar Nissan LATIO you can buy at BEFORWARD. The second generation 2012 to 2016 model starts from around $1,700 US. We update our inventory daily. Be sure to check the latest prices in stock on the BEFORWARD website via the link in the description below. Engine options and efficiency. For the Japanese market, the LATIO comes with a single engine option, exclusively paired with front-wheel drive. The 1.2-liter 3-cylinder HR12DE engine is equipped with an outer balancer to match the smoothness of a 4-cylinder design. It produces 79 PS and 108 Newton-meters of torque at 4,400 revolutions per minute. This engine is paired with an Xtronic CVT automatic transmission equipped with an idle stop system. According to the manufacturer, average fuel consumption is an impressive 22.6 kilometers per liter, 4.42 liters per 100 kilometers in JC08 mode. Real-life data suggests consumption of around 5.0 to 6.2 liters, depending on conditions and driving pattern. All in all, this engine seems to be great at maximizing fuel efficiency, making it one of the most economical non-hybrid sedans of its time. If you're looking for quality car at great price, visit BEFORWARD.JP. We offer a vast selection of vehicles to suit every taste and budget. You can also send your inquiries to top@BEFORWARD.JP.